So you have damaged, fragile hair, or you have somewhat healthy hair but need some extra TLC to get you where you want. Or maybe you have amazing hair looking for the right products to keep your hair strong and amazing. If you fall into any of these categories, keep watching because today's video I'm breaking down all things Olaplex to help you find the right products to meet your individual needs. Welcome to my channel. I'm Summer. If you're new here, like so many others, I am a huge fan of Olaplex. They offer some amazing products that can truly transform your hair, but at the same time, it can be extremely confusing as to what products are the right ones for your hair needs. I do have a video that I will link below where I break down majority of their products and how to use them specifically. If you're brand new to Olaplex, that is a great video to check out. And if you are familiar with Olaplex but still confused, you're in luck because today's video I will be breaking down the most important kits that they have put together on their website to help guide you through even more as to what you may need for your hair. Olaplex has a total of 10 products that can be purchased for at-home use, and while you can definitely use all 10, you might be better off focusing on just certain ones to fit your hair needs. I was so excited to see that they have kits to help make it easier, but in true confusing Olaplex fashion, they currently have a total of 20 kits to choose from, which can certainly be overwhelming. So I'm here to help you figure out which ones are the best for the maximum amount of benefit. We're going to start out with if you fall into the damaged, fragile hair, aka your hair is jacked up category. You can skip ahead in the timestamps for different hair categories, but if you're in this category, you're going to want to either go with the hair repair treatment kit, the ultimate repair kit, the bond treatment system, the Ultimate Essentials Trial Kit, or the Healthy Hair Maintenance Kit. Any of these are going to give you great repair to your hair. It really just all comes down to what you're wanting to spend. If you're not sure about spending the money or you're new to Olaplex, go with the Healthy Hair Maintenance Kit or the Ultimate Essentials Kit. These are both trial size kits, with the Maintenance Kit giving you 0 and 3, which are their top products for repairing. If you want to try out the shampoo, conditioner, and their moisture mask 8 on top of 0 and 3, get the Ultimate Essentials Trial Kit, as you get all 5 of those in a trial size. If you're like, I like Olaplex and I want to max out for the most nutrients to heal this hair and get it back into shape, go with the Bond Treatment System. You're covering all bases with this kit. You get 0, 3, and 8. So you're getting all your repair needs with the 0 and 3 while balancing it out with their moisture mask number 8, which is truly my all-time favorite moisture mask. So you literally cannot go wrong with this specific kit. For those falling into the somewhat healthy hair but you need TLC category, you can opt for the Style and Strength Hair Set, the Bond Maintenance System Kit, or the Bond Treatment Duo. The Style and Strengthen Hair Set is a full size of 6 and 7 with a sample size of number 9. I do have a video on number 9 and we'll link below. Number 9, it's not my favorite product from them. I'm not saying it doesn't live up to the benefits that they say it has, but it's a product that over time you're gonna see and feel the results of. It's not an immediate thing like the rest of their products. 6 is a great repair leave-in while giving you great frizz and smoothing results as a side bonus. And what's there not to love about the number 7 oil? It can be used on wet and dry hair, and it is a heat protectant as well. The Bond Maintenance System is a full size of 3, 4, and 5. If your hair is on the healthier side, but you need that extra kick of repair, 3 is a great option to give you that extra TLC, and pairing it with 4 and 5 is a win-win. 3 is great to aim to do 1 to 2 times a month if you're looking to add in some extra strength and repair to your hair. The Bond Treatment Duo would be my top suggestion if you fall into this category though. You get a full size of 3 and 8, so you're gonna get the repair and moisture, so balancing out all your hair needs. These two you cannot go wrong with if you are somewhat healthy and looking for that extra bump. If you are a unicorn or just a person we're all aspiring to be and you fall into the I have amazing hair and I'm looking to maintain it category, the kits I would suggest from Olaplex are the Smooth and Healthy Hair Set, the Daily Cleanse and Condition Duo, or the Iconic Styling Duo. The Smooth and Healthy Hair Set is made up of both 3 and 6, so you'll get repair from 3 along with the leave-in repair as well as frizz control and hydration with number 6. Both of these go a long way and it will allow you to maintain that healthy hair you've treated so well. The Daily Cleanse and Condition Duo is great for those who maybe only want the benefits of the shampoo and conditioner. The number 4 is going to give you great repair while feeling like you've had an in-salon treatment, and the number 5 is going to give you some shine and prevent any split ends. This kit is also ideal if the styling products of 6 and 7 weigh your hair down. The Iconic Styling Duo is just 6 and 7, so the benefits of 6 again, the frizz control, the smoothing, and the number 7, which is going to give you shine and softness and strength as well. Bonus kits I would suggest would be the Blonde Enhancer Duo for any of you blondes. I have several clients who love the Olaplex Blonde shampoo, and the No. 5 conditioner is a great pairing for it. The Deep Cleanse and Moisture Duo is great for a gentle clarifying option to remove any buildup, but it also puts the moisture back into the hair. 4C again is a fan favorite among some of my clients. And if you want it all, as far as repairing, moisture, shine, heat protection, and balance, you can simply purchase the complete hair repair system consisting of 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to give you complete hair repair and hydration. All products will be linked in the description below. Each individual kit can be found on their website. Make sure you check out the linked videos below if you're unfamiliar with Olaplex. I break down how to use most of the products if you have any confusion. I so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.